Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyvin, and for those of you who are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. This look here is an homage to the look created by Jeffree Star and his new palette that is gonna come, that is the cremated palette. I was so inspired by all those shades that I thought of creating a grungy look for myself. Of course, I did not use his palette because it's not yet out. But if you do want to know how I got this grungy, smoky kind of a look, then please keep on watching. So today I'll be doing my eyes first. For priming my eyelids, I'll be using the Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer Jar. Also, initially in the introduction, I'd said that the Jeffree Star palette was not out in the market, but I guess it is now available on their website. So if you do want it, you can check it out there. Eyeshadow, again I'll be using a palette from Miss Claire. It's an eyeshadow palette in Smoky. This palette is very affordable and it has 8 very cool toned grey, black kind of shades which are very much perfect to create a smoky eye. I'll be taking this bluish grey shade that is there in the palette and I'll be applying it mostly to the outer corner of my upper lid. What I do is initially I just stamp the shade on the outer corner of the eye and then in circular motions just buff it out in an upward outward direction. Next I'll be taking this black shade. This is a very pigmented black color, and taking a much denser brush I'll be applying it just to the outer corners of my eye. Taking a clean brush, I'll just blend the two shades together. On to our next shade. So this is a grey shimmer kind of a shade that I'll be applying with my fingertip to the entire eyelid. Taking a fluffier blending brush, I'll be taking this brown grey sort of a color and I'll be applying it into my crease and taking it very high near my eyebrow so that I get a very blended look. Usually with colors which are very grey toned or very cool toned, it requires a lot of love, a lot of building up. So I'll be going back and forth with all those shades so that I get that high amount of pigmentation as well as a very blended and a finished look. I'm highlighting my eyebrow using the silver white shade in the palette. Now taking the same grey brown color, I thought of going a little deeper near the bridge of my nose. This gives a very sunken, hollowed out effect. A clean makeup wipe, I'll be cleaning out any fallout that is there before moving on to my base. For my base today, for my foundation, I'll be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in light beige. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in 122 Sand. Using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 15 Light, I'll be setting all the areas that I had concealed previously. To bring back a little color back to my face, I'll be using the Milani Baked Bronzer in 05 Soleil. Using the shade from the Freedom Professional Pro Blush Palette in Pink and Baked as my blush today. For highlight, I'll be using these two shades from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in light medium C04. To set my face, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Bretman Rock Jungle Rock 3-in-1 Face Mist. Moving on to eyes again, I'll be using the black shade on a much concise smaller brush to smoke out my lower lash line. Using this icy grey color on the inner 1/3 areas of the lower lash line. For my waterline, I'll be using the K by Katrina Black Kajal pencil. I did my brows off camera and I'll be moving on to lips. I'll be giving two lip options today. So for the first lip option, I'll be using the Wet n Wild lipstick in 914C Mochalicious. For my second lip option, I went a little deeper with Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick in Disturbed. So guys, I do hope you loved the video. If you do, please don't forget to like and share it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, please do stay safe, stay home and take care. Bye. If you don't want to know this look, so guys, I hope you do like the